What's your guys' opinion of a very common TRT protocol across Europe? It really is testosterone undecanoate. It's Nebido. It's 1,000 milligrams every 10 to 12 weeks.
I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It's, I mean, to me, it's not as bad because you're not inserting something and then kind of waiting for it to dissolve, but I would put it right under pellets. Again, I like control. When you have something that is so individualistic and requires dialing in and fine tuning, I like to have control. And when we eliminate the frequency, which is essentially 50% of our control mechanism of therapy, we are giving up a very important factor of our control.
Yep, the levels are, I mean, unless you injected Nebido every 4 weeks, your levels are never going to be stable, even with the way they do it. I remember it's Aveed here in the United States. It's the same thing. And I remember when the rep, when I was working in a different urology clinic a couple of years ago, she brought the paperwork by and the studies for Aveed, and even in their own trials, levels were never over like 450. Like, how many guys do you know that get symptom relief when their levels are at 450?
But they're normal, Jordan. They're normal now.
Yeah, and yet they're having to get this injection in the office because it's such a large amount of oil, so they got to worry about oil embolism, right? So the doctor gets to charge for giving the injection. It's just another way to make money. I mean, testosterone is cheap with injections. Even creams are cheap compared to this crap. It drives me nuts.
Hey, thank you for watching, and do this next. Watch one of these videos to learn a ton more about hormone optimization.